This tutorial shows how to create a professional testimonial quote card using Photoshop custom shapes, ideal for websites and social proof sections. Create a medium square canvas in Photoshop. Select the custom shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle in the center as the card base. Choose a soft background color. Add a circle custom shape at the top for a user avatar. Place a quotation mark shape near the text area for emphasis. Use the Type tool to add testimonial text, keeping line spacing comfortable. Add the username and roll below in smaller text. Duplicate the card, place it behind, apply a slight blur, and reduce opacity to create separation. Zoom out. The testimonial card now looks trustworthy and polished.